In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add news to News Center on Intercom. To get started, open your Intercom workspace and look at the left sidebar. In this menu, you will find a section called Outbound. Go ahead and click Outbound. This is the area where you can create and manage messages and content you send out to your audience, so it is the right starting point for adding a new item to your news center. After you click Outbound, take a moment to look at the top right corner of the screen. This is where the creation tools usually live. You will see a plus button, and sometimes it is labeled as New Message instead. Click the plus button or choose New Message. This action opens the menu where you can select what type of content you want to create, which is important because the News Center expects a specific content type. Next, you will be prompted to select a template or content type. Choose News Item as your template content type. In some views, you might see the option simply labeled News. Select that option so your new announcement is structured correctly for the News Center. Using the right template helps ensure the item appears in the feed as intended, rather than being created in a format that the News Center cannot display. Now that you have selected the news template, you will move into the editor. Here you should type your title. Keep the title clear and specific, since it is the first thing people will see in the News Center. After you enter the title, add your announcement content in the main text area. If you have multiple details, you can separate them in a logical order so the message is easy to skim. The goal is for readers to understand what is happening and why it matters without needing to read everything in a single block. At this point, you will also upload a feature image. Look for the Upload option in the content area. Add an image that matches the announcement and supports the message visually. A good feature image helps the item stand out in the feed and can improve how quickly people recognize what this update is about. Make sure the image you upload is appropriate for your audience and is not distracting, since it will appear alongside the announcement in the News Center. Once your title, announcement content, and feature image are in place, you will need to set the target for where this news item will appear. Look for target settings, and within those settings, find News Feed. Select the news feed that is assigned to your news center. This is a critical step, because even if everything else is filled out correctly, the item will not show up where you expect unless you choose the correct news feed. After you have selected the correct news feed, you are ready to finish. Before saving, it can be helpful to quickly review the title, the content, and the image one more time to make sure there are no mistakes. Confirm that the announcement text reads clearly and that the image uploaded properly. Now click Save and Close in the top right corner. This final action stores your news item and returns you back to the previous screen. If your news center is set up correctly, you should be able to find the new entry in the feed shortly after saving, depending on how your workspace handles updates. And that covers everything you need to know. You have created a news item and added it to your news center feed in Intercom, from selecting the template all the way through saving and closing.